4 shocking eggs mistakes that damage your health. Dangerous habits hiding in plain sight. Standing in my kitchen last Tuesday morning, I cracked 2 eggs into my usual scrambled preparation. 30 years of eating eggs the same way without question. Then my nutritionist friend Sarah pointed at my cooking technique and said something that stopped me cold. "You're destroying most of the nutrients and creating harmful compounds." What she revealed next changed my relationship with eggs forever. Mistake number 4 involves cooking eggs at temperatures that create toxic compounds. High heat transforms beneficial proteins into advanced glycation end products. According to research published in the Journal of Food Science, temperatures above 250 degrees Fahrenheit can reduce protein bioavailability by up to 40%. Here's what shocked me most about my cooking method. Scrambling eggs in a hot pan was creating acrylamide, a potential carcinogen. The browning and high temperatures I thought made eggs taste better were actually making them harmful. Mistake number 3 reveals the storage error that breeds dangerous bacteria. Room temperature storage allows salmonella multiplication at exponential rates. Bacteria doubles every 20 minutes in the danger zone between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The Food and Drug Administration confirms that improper storage causes thousands of food poisoning cases annually. My family had been storing eggs incorrectly for decades unknowingly. Keeping them in the refrigerator door exposed them to temperature fluctuations. This compromised safety while reducing nutritional quality significantly. Mistake number 2 exposes the timing error that blocks nutrient absorption. Eating eggs with high calcium foods prevents iron absorption dramatically. Calcium and iron compete for the same absorption pathways in the intestines. Research from Harvard School of Public Health shows this combination can reduce iron uptake by 60%. My breakfast routine of eggs with cheese and milk was sabotaging my iron status. Chronic fatigue that had puzzled my doctor suddenly made sense. The mineral competition explained my persistent low energy levels. Mistake number 1 reveals the most dangerous preparation method surprisingly. Raw egg consumption poses serious salmonella risks that many people ignore. 1 in 20,000 eggs contains salmonella bacteria internally. The Centers for Disease Control reports that raw eggs cause approximately 142,000 illnesses annually. My smoothie routine using raw eggs had been a potential health hazard. The protein powder trend of adding raw eggs seemed healthy but created unnecessary infection risks. Even healthy adults can develop severe food poisoning. Proper cooking techniques preserve nutrients while ensuring safety effectively. Gentle poaching maintains protein structure while eliminating harmful bacteria. Water temperatures around 180 degrees Fahrenheit cook eggs thoroughly without creating toxic compounds. This method preserves heat-sensitive vitamins like folate and choline. My transformation began with changing cooking methods systematically. Soft-boiled eggs became my preferred preparation for optimal nutrition. The creamy yolks retain more vitamins while providing complete protein safely. Storage solutions prevent contamination while maintaining freshness longer. Refrigerator storage at consistent temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit prevents bacterial growth. Storing eggs in original cartons protects against temperature fluctuations. Proper storage can extend freshness for up to 5 weeks. Timing consumption strategically maximizes nutrient absorption and utilization benefits. Eating eggs separately from calcium-rich foods enhances iron uptake significantly. Morning consumption provides sustained protein for muscle synthesis throughout the day. Avoiding late evening eggs prevents sleep disruption from protein metabolism. My energy levels improved dramatically within 2 weeks of correcting these mistakes. Iron absorption optimization eliminated afternoon fatigue completely. Colleagues noticed improved stamina during demanding work projects. Quality sourcing affects both safety and nutritional density substantially. Pasture-raised eggs provide superior omega-3 fatty acid profiles compared to conventional varieties. Free-range chickens produce eggs with higher vitamin E and beta-carotene content. Organic certification reduces exposure to harmful pesticides and antibiotics. Shell color indicates nothing about nutritional value or quality surprisingly. Brown and white eggs provide identical nutrition when chickens receive similar diets. Shell thickness depends on hen age rather than nutritional content. Marketing often misleads consumers about shell color significance. My doctor was amazed by improvements in my iron status markers. Hemoglobin levels increased to normal ranges within 3 months.